In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header and footer on your Wix website. If you want a cleaner look on a specific page, or you are creating something like a landing page where you don't want visitors distracted by extra navigation, Wix makes it very simple to remove both the header and the footer from that page. I will walk you through exactly where to click, so you can make this change quickly and confidently. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are inside the editing view for the website you want to update. Because this setting is managed on a page-by-page basis, that means you can hide the header and footer on one page without affecting the rest of your site, which is especially useful when you want different pages to have different layouts. Once your site is open in the editor, look over to the top of the left-hand sidebar and click Pages and Menu. This is where Wix stores the structure of your website, including all of your main pages and any additional menu items you've created. When this panel opens, you'll see a list of the pages on your site. Next, click the specific page you want to edit. Be sure to select the exact page where you want the header and footer hidden, since the change will only apply to that page. This is helpful if, for example, you want your homepage to keep its normal navigation, but you want a sign, up page or promotional page to have a simpler appearance. After selecting the page, find the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots next to the page name. Click that icon to open the Page Options menu. From there, choose Settings. This will open a window with more detailed options for that page, including layout controls. Inside the Page Settings window, click the Layouts tab. This is the section where you can control how that page is displayed. In the Layout options, select No Header and Footer. As soon as you choose this option, Wix will update that page so the header and footer no longer appear. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.